How does radiant thinking improve your mind maps? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads leading in every direction. Now, think about how you organize your ideas when studying or planning. Would you prefer a straight highway or a web of interconnected streets? Today, we're exploring how radiant thinking makes your mind maps more powerful and natural. Radiant thinking is how your brain naturally processes information by creating many connections that spread out from a central point. Instead of following a straight line, your thoughts branch out in different directions, just like the neurons in your brain connect. When you use radiant thinking in mind maps, it mimics this process, making your notes more aligned with how you naturally think. This approach encourages you to think freely without sticking to a strict order. Instead of writing ideas in a list, you create branches that grow outward from the main topic. This helps prevent your thoughts from feeling boxed in or limited. It also sparks new ideas because each branch can lead to more branches, opening up new paths of thinking. Radiant thinking boosts creativity because it allows ideas to radiate outward in many directions. When you're brainstorming or trying to solve a problem, this method helps you see connections you might miss with linear notes. It makes your mind maps more dynamic and full of possibilities. Using radiant thinking in mind maps also helps with memory. When you add colors, images, and keywords, your brain engages both the logical and creative sides. This visual and associative style makes it easier to remember information and understand how different ideas fit together. It's especially helpful for organizing complex topics. With radiant thinking, you can see how different parts relate at a glance. You can spot patterns and cross-connections that make the big picture clearer. This makes studying, planning projects, or taking notes more effective and less overwhelming. In practical terms, you can use mind maps to brainstorm ideas for essays or projects, letting your thoughts flow naturally without worrying about order. Adding colors and pictures makes your maps more engaging and memorable. Breaking down complicated subjects into connected chunks helps you understand and remember better. And because mind maps are flexible, they can grow and change as your understanding deepens. So, radiant thinking improves your mind maps by making them more like your brain's natural way of working. It encourages creativity, better organization, and stronger memory, turning your notes into a powerful tool for learning and thinking.